Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing one of the most common SAS interview questions. What is the difference between proc sort options, nodupkey and nodupkey? They work similarly in that they both can eliminate unwanted observations. But nodupkey, which is also known as nodup, compares all the variables in your SAS dataset, while nodupkey compares just by the by variables. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. First, nodup examples. Let's consider a dataset best for this. This dataset is similar to the one used for clinical study and contains subject numbers, the study arm they are assigned to, their best response during the study, and the number of days their medication was delayed. Notice that subject 1 has 2 observations that are exactly the same, and subject 3 has 2 observations with only the variable best res being different. In the first example, the sort procedure is used with the nodup option. By using a sort procedure, I want to order the data by the variable subject and eliminate any observation that have the same exact information for all the variables. Notice that subject 3 still has 2 observations because all the variable values are not the same for these 2 observations. Coming on to the next example. In this example, I want to order the data by arm and eliminate any observations that have the exact same information for all variables. Using the proc sort statement, I use the by variable arm to see if I get the result I want. This sort did not do the elimination that I want. This is because the procedure sorted by arm, the second observation for subject 01 just moved up under the subject 02. The two observations for subject 01 are not adjacent. Therefore, the second one did not get eliminated. To get the result that I want, I have to sort the data by the arm and subject variables. Now the second observation for subject 01 is eliminated and the data is ordered by arm, which is the desired result. Now let us see nodupkey examples using the same dataset best. In this example, the sort procedure is used with the nodupkey option. This is similar to example 1 above, but I'm going to use the nodupkey option instead of the nodup option and compare the results in difference. Notice that the proc sort eliminated one of the observation for subject 01 and for subject 03. Because I sorted these dataset by the subject variable and used the nodupkey option, the sort procedure is checking for adjacent observation with only the subject number as being the same and eliminating any duplicates after the first occurrence of that number. In contrast, in the dataset, for example 1, subject 3 still had 2 observations. Here it is important to note that the first observation for subject 3 has a PR for the variable best res and the second observation for subject 03 had a PD for that variable. The nodupkey option is only looking by the by variable of subjects, so it ignores the difference in all other variables and it eliminates the second observation from the dataset with the best res of PD. This is where this option can be dangerous because you can eliminate observation that you actually wanted to keep, since they may differ in different variables which are not used as the by variables. Moving on to the another example, I have sorted the variable arm as I did in example 2, but instead of using nodup option, we'll use the nodupkey option to see the difference in results. Since I sorted the variable arm and used the nodupkey option in the example, proc sort only kept the first observation it encountered for each arm and eliminated the duplicates after that. By making that one change in options from nodup to nodupkey, the output dataset has only one observation per arm. Looks quite different from the dataset which was generated using the nodup. In another example, I will sort by the variables arm and best res with the nodupkey option to see what will happen to my dataset. Here the second observation for subject 01 is eliminated because it had the same by variable values as the first observation for subject 01. Also, the subject 06 is eliminated because it has the same bivariables values as subject 05. Conclusion: the nodup option is used in the sort procedure eliminates observations that are exactly the same across all variables. The nodup option eliminates observations that are exactly the same across the bivariables. Keep in mind that both of these options compare adjacent observations in the output dataset before eliminating the records. That's all for now. Comment if you want me to cover any specific topic. Thanks for watching.